Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. I'm super excited because I have a brand new sticker book from Amber Plans Her Day. It's been a while since we've had an actual sticker book from Amber, so I'm excited to see a new one from her amazing shop. So I'm going to flip through this book. I have all the info down in the description when it comes to where to purchase this and a discount code, so definitely check that out. So she's coming back with a sticker book. I'm hoping that means there's more sticker books coming because she does a really great job with her books. So I'm excited to see what she has planned for 2025. So yeah, I'm excited. So we have a quote sticker book, which if you are new to Amber Plans Her Day, her very first sticker book that she came out with was a black quotes book. So this is very much like from the beginning era, and this is the volume 3, so there have been 2 other books like this in the past. So I'm excited to see the different kind of quotes in here. She does a good job with picking out fun quotes and different aesthetics of the like fonts and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm excited to flip through this and show you this new book from Amber Plans Her Day. So again, it's Black Quotes Volume 3. There are 504 stickers in here, and it is a 30-page sticker book. So, oh, all clear stickers too. And all black. So, which I love. I love using all black. Black goes with everything, so perfect. And again, I love the variety of the different kind of fonts and just different sizes and different quotes that are in here. So you have positive vibes, keep moving forward, be kind, be brave, be honest, follow your dreams, life is short, live it, prove them wrong. So some nice motivational kind of quotes here. Got 2 of those pages. Push yourself to be great, grow through what you go through, make today great, be the best version of you, be kind always. And you got 2 of those. Make it happen, radiate positivity, never give up, find your fire. Again, very motivational quotes, which I feel like are important to have in your planner. I always like to sprinkle around some nice motivational quotes to get me through the week. So those are nice. Every day is a fresh start. The best is yet to come. Oh, these are cute. I like this one. Wake up, kick ass, be kind, repeat, be you, not them. See the good, make someone smile today. Intention is everything. Nothing great comes that easy. Dreams don't work unless you do. Decisions determine destiny. I like that she put in some little stars that you can add around the quotes if you wanted to. Go for it. Prove to yourself, not others. You are enough just as you are. I love the way that one looks, like the different fonts on that one. It's super pretty. So 2 sheets of those. If there's one thing I'm willing to bet on, it's myself. Growth is growth, no matter how small. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. Be the one who decided to go for it. Growth is, oh, I already read that one. Trust the journey. Shine bright, dream until your dreams come true. I really like the way that one looks too. Follow your heart. Your imperfections are a blessing. Again, more little stars. Your fear is lying to you. Your feelings are valid. The world is better with you in it. It's okay to not be okay. Plan your stress away. Still plays with stickers. That one's funny. Let me pencil you in. This is like the planner page right here. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Don't touch my pen. That's funny. Planner babe. Punch today in the face. I put the pro in procrastinate. I have no idea what I'm doing. Sorry I'm late. I didn't want to come. No idea what I'm doing. Those are like the sassy kind of quotes right there. Dear Karma, I have a list of people you missed. Sarcasm is my superpower. My level of sarcasm depends on your level of stupidity. Everyone was thinking it. I just said it. Again, some more sassy fun quotes. Snow day vibes. Cozy season. The world changes when it snows. So here's the winter page. A seasonal page. Winter is magical. Springs page. Plant groom or plant, grow, bloom. Spring is in the air. Love grows here. Spring adds new beauty. Spring. Then we got the summer page. Aloha summer. Sunrise, sunburn, sunset, repeat. Fun in the sun. Live, love, aloha. And then we'll have the last one, which is the fall page. Fall is my favorite. Love that. Fall is proof that change is beautiful. Fall is in the air. Apple cider, pumpkin patch, cool nights, autumn leaves, football games, sweater weather. So you got all the fall seasonal quotes. So you got a little mix of everything in here, which is nice because then you can like just have this. I always have a little container of sticker books off to the side that I can always grab. So there's like box sticker books, stickers that have like neutral colors of stickers in them that I could pull into any kind of spread. And I feel like this is a good one to have off to the side. It'll work for any type of spread that you need. It's got some nice inspirational quotes, motivational kind of quotes, sassy quotes, and then you have the seasonal quotes in here. So a nice mix of quote stickers, nice mix of different font styles, and yeah, just really good quote sticker book. So again, excited to see Amber coming out with another sticker book. Excited to see what else she's coming out with for this year. If you're interested in purchasing this one, it is currently available. Check out the link down in my description to amberplansherday.com. I think is that the site? Yeah, amberplansherday.com, which will be linked down in the description. And I do have a discount code, so if you want to purchase, you can get like 10% off, I think, using that code. So yeah, that is it for this video. Just wanted to flip through this and let you know that this is out there, so you can grab one if you need some quotes, some nice quotes in your planner. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.